Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on basics of e-commerce. So let's start with question number 1. E-commerce stands for A. Electronic commerce, B. Electron commerce, C. Electric commerce, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Electronic commerce. Question number 2. The dimension of e-commerce that enables commerce across national boundaries is called A. Interactivity, B. Global reach, C. Richness, D. Ubiquity. And the answer is B. Global reach. Question number 3. Which of the following describe e-commerce? Option A. Doing business electronically, B. Doing business, C. Sale of goods, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Doing business electronically. Question number 4. B2B stands for A. Business to government, B. Business to consumer, C. Business to business, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C. Business to business. Question number 5. B2C stands for A. Business to government, B. Business to consumer, C. Business to business, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. Business to consumer. Question number 6. C2C stands for A. Business to government, B. Business to consumer, C. Business to business, D. Consumer to consumer. And the answer is D. Consumer to consumer. Question number 7. An example for C2C is option A. irctc.com, option B. ebay.com, option C. Both A and B, option D. None of the above. And the answer is B. ebay.com. Question number 8. Which of the following is not one of the major type of e-commerce? Your options are A. C2B, B. B2C, C. B2B, and D option is C2C. But the correct answer is A. C2B. Question number 9. Which of the following is a part of the four main types for e-commerce? Your options A. B2B, B. B2C, C. C2B, D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. Question number 10. Dash is not considered to be one of the three phases of e-commerce. Option A. Innovation, B. Consolidation, C. Preservation, D. Reinvention. And the answer is C. Preservation. Question number 11. Dash is basically a concept of online marketing and distributing of products and services over the internet. Option A. B2G, option B. B2E, option C. B2C, option D. B2B. And the correct answer is C. B2C. Question number 12. Which products are people most likely to be more uncomfortable buying on the internet? Option A. Books, B. Furniture, C. Movie, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is B. Furniture. Question number 13. Dash e-commerce transaction has the advantage of eliminating middleman. Your options are A. B2G, B. B2C, C. B2B, D. B2E. And the answer is B. B2C. Question number 14. Which type of e-commerce focuses on consumers dealing with each other? Your options: A. B2B, B. B2C, C. C2B, D. C2C. And the answer is D. C2C. Question number 15. Digital products are best suited for B2C e-commerce because they, option A, are commodity like products, B, can be mass customized and personalized, C, can be delivered at the time of purchase, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 16. By electronic commerce, we mean A. Commerce of electronic goods, B. Commerce which depends on electronics, C. Commerce which is based on the use of internet, D. Commerce which is based on transactions using computers connected by telecommunication network. And the correct answer is D. Commerce which is based on transactions using computers connected by telecommunication network. Question number 17. Electronic data interchange is necessary in, option A, B2C e-commerce, B, C2C e-commerce, C, B2B e-commerce, and option D, commerce using internet. And the answer is C, B2B e-commerce. Let's move on question number 18. EDI stands for A. Electronic Data Interchange, B. Electronic Document Interchange, C. Electric Document Interchange, D. Engineering Data Interchange. And the answer is A, and that's Electronic Data Interchange. Question number 19. Electronic Data Interchange, that is EDI, standards are A. Not universally available, B. Essential for B2B commerce, option C. Not required for B2B commerce, D. Still being evolved. And the answer is B. Essential for B2B commerce. Question number 20. Electronic Data Interchange, that is EDI, requires A. Representation of common business documents in computer readable forms, B. Data entry operators by receivers, C. Spatial value added networks, option D. Spatial hardware at cooperating business premises. And the answer is A. Representation of common business documents in computer readable forms. Thank you.